A lot of gold's being given out tonight, but Hollywood will never run out of it as long as we have treasures like our next two stars. He made his sensational screen debut as Golden Boy, and we'll never forget his leading lady, whose performances are never less than 24 karat. The Golden Boy and his Golden Girl are together again tonight, William Holden and Barbara Stanwyck.
Before Barbara and I present this next award, I'd like to say 39 years ago this month, we were working in a film together called Golden Boy. And it wasn't going well because I was going to be replaced. But due to this lovely human being and her interest in understanding and her professional integrity and her encouragement, and above all, her generosity, I'm here tonight.
Oh, Bill. You didn't tell me.
Barbara and I are pleased to give the Sound Award because, by coincidence, this is not only the Academy's 50th anniversary, it's also the 50th birthday of Sound Talking Pictures.
When Al Jolson said, "You ain't heard nothing yet," he anticipated one of the most famous billboards in our moving picture history. Garbo speaks.
Greta Garbo is one of the silent stars who survived the advent of sound. And that deep, throaty voice perfectly complemented that exquisite face.
And thanks to sound movies, her voice still thrills us.
The nominations for accomplishments achieved in sound are Robert Knudsen, Robert J. Glass, Don McDougall, and Gene S. Cantamessa for Close Encounters of the Third Kind.
Walter Goss, Dick Alexander, Tom Beckett, and Robin Gregory for The Deep.
Robert Knudsen, Robert J. Glass, Richard Tyler, and Jean-Louis Ducamp for Sorcerer.
Don McDougall, Ray West, Bob Minkler, and Derek Ball for Star Wars.
Theodore Soderbergh, Paul Wells, Douglas O. Williams, and Jerry Jost for The Turning Point.
And here, my Golden Boy, you read it.
The winners are Don McDougall, Ray West, Bob Minkler, and Derek Ball for Star Wars.
Accepting the award will be Don McDougall, Ray West, and Bob Minkler.
This is really an honor, and Buzzy was right. Your hands do get wet. I'd certainly like to thank George and Gary for all they've done for us. They gave us an opportunity. I must also thank Bob Litt, a gentleman who helped us very much. Steve Katz, another one. All the wonderful mixers who aided us in the early stages of our work. And all of you, thank you very much.
I'm deeply grateful. Thank you.
To present the Oscars to the winners of this year's special visual effects, here's the lady who once shared my gondola in the canals of Paramount, Joan Fontaine.
Well, do you realize this is the about the first time we've acted together since Casanova.
Yeah, well, being at your side, fair lady, has never worked.
Oh, sweet Robin. Age has not withered, nor custom stage or infinite gallantry.
And Donnie and Marie think they're cute.
All right for you. There are 2 nominations for Best Achievement in Special Visual Effects this 50th anniversary year, and they are Roy Aborgast, Douglas Trumbull, Matthew Jurisic, and Gregory Jean, and Richard Jurisic for Close Encounters of the Third Kind. John Sears, John Dijkstra, Richard Erdland, Grant McCune, and Robert Blalak for Star Wars. And the winners are John Steers, John Dijkstra, Richard Edlund, Grant McCune, and Robert Blalak for Star Wars. Somebody's got to say something.
Can I say something? Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a fantastic feeling to be up here with these guys, fantastic guys, wonderful American crew, and please don't forget the British guys that work with me just to make it possible to be here. And thank you, Gary and George. Fantastic. Thank you.
I'd like to thank Mr. Kurtz and Mr. Lucas and the thousands, literally, of technicians who made it all possible, because that wasn't done on a sound stage. And I'd also like to thank Doug Trumbull, who started me in this business. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'd like to acknowledge the visual effects workers from the past who made our achievements possible. In particular, Bill Reinhold, Jack Caldwell, and Paul Lerpay. From the Star Wars production, I'd like to thank Paul Roth, Jamie Short, John Dijkstra, George Lucas, and Gary Kurtz. This is ours. Thank you.